Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add reference image in Krita. I will create new file, create. Now if you want to add a reference image, you can click this icon, reference image tools. And in the tool options in right bar, you can click tool option tab and you can click plus icons to add a reference image from your computer. You can click. And for example, I will add this image, click open. Now it will be automatically show into your canvas and you can move this reference image to the left like here. You also can set for opacity at this point and for saturation also. And save location you can set into link to image. Okay, that's it. How to add a reference image in Krita. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.